Hello everyone, and welcome to my channel where I show handbags and haul. Hope everyone had a great day so far. To my current and new subscribers, thank you all so much for subscribing to my channel, and to the ones that's dropping by my channel on today, thanks also. So I want to come on here real quick, show you all the bag that I purchased from Dillards. So let's begin to unbag her. Oh, it comes with a dust bag this time, you all. So this is the new cargo tote in that corduroy maple color. So on this bag, you do have the pockets on the outer side of this bag. So you have a front turn lock pocket, and it do have that black interior in the inside. And this is the back of the bag. So you do have the back snap closure pocket right back here. So this bag don't have no inside pocket because it has the two outer pocket. And this bag right here feels so nice, you all. Yes, this bag is fall ready. So I want to do a comparison to this bag in the denim bag. So this is the denim cargo tote bag also that came out last year in spring. So they made the same. So this one has the turn lock in the front, and it has the back snap closure pocket also. And it do have the blue interior in the inside. Okay, so this one, like I said, this one came out last year in the spring, and this one came out. Literally, I just picked this bag up today, you all. It came out today, and I went and I picked her right on up. So yeah, so this is the fall cargo tote, and this is the denim spring cargo tote of last year. Okay, so the reason why I wanted to do the comparison to these two bags is because I had someone to come on my page and ask me, do we keep the bags or do we return the bag once we have shown the bag, because she has saw so many content creators come on there with tags still on their bag. So the reason why I still have the tags on my bag is because if someone, wants to purchase that bag, and then they have the information to purchase that bag if they would like to purchase the bag. So that's the reason why I be having the tags on my bag, and plus the bag be new once I show the bags. Now sometimes when I do a what's inside of my bag, not too often, sometimes I still have the tag on my bag, and that's because I done been forgot to remove the tag, or going to remove the tag once I'm done, showing the what's inside my bag. Okay, so if you all like this video on today, please hit the like, hit that share. Make sure you subscribe to One Happy 84. Make sure you hit that notification bell so you all will know every time I upload a video.